How to change your wallet name on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your wallet name on Trust Wallet Crypto. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet here, and then as you can see this is the name of my wallet. It's called Multicoin Wallet 1. If I want to change this name, I have to go here to settings in the down below, and then go to the first option and then choose my wallet here. Sorry, now you need to choose those three dots here, and now you can change the name from here, like how to media. This is the name of our channel, and then you can go out, and here you go. The name of my wallet now is changed. As you can see, you can refresh and it will be changed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.